Hello dear friends, I'm Dr. Sani and welcome to Medical and Health. Testosterone is the main male sex hormone and plays a key role in male development. Unfortunately, levels of this hormone naturally decline with age. As men reach adulthood and age, their testosterone levels tend to decrease, and this decrease can lead to symptoms such as reduced libido and sexual function. Though hormone replacement therapy is the most common way to treat low testosterone levels, many men seek natural supplements or foods that can boost their testosterone levels. In this video, I will introduce top 7 best foods that can increase testosterone levels. Number 1. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens contain an abundance of essential micronutrients, including magnesium, which is crucial for maintaining optimal testosterone levels. According to research, magnesium can increase testosterone levels by reducing oxidative stress, and higher magnesium levels were associated with higher testosterone levels in men. Additionally, a study in Taiwanese men found that low intake of leafy green vegetables was linked to lower testosterone. Therefore, eating more magnesium-rich foods such as spinach, kale, and collard greens may help promote healthy testosterone levels. Number 2. Oysters. Oysters are a good source of many nutrients that may help support sexual health. In particular, the zinc in oysters may increase testosterone levels and help maintain healthy levels of dopamine. According to a study in rats, zinc supplements raise testosterone levels and improve sexual competence. Oysters are also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which may furthermore increase blood flow to prevent issues such as erectile dysfunction. Number 3. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are believed to increase testosterone levels due to their high selenium content. The mineral is necessary for the regulation of testosterone production and sperm quality. Studies suggest that supplemental selenium has been associated with improved testosterone levels in both men and women. However, consumption of too many Brazil nuts can lead to toxicity due to their high selenium content. Therefore, it's recommended to limit the intake to 4 Brazil nuts per day, which is equivalent to the dietary upper limit of 400 micrograms of selenium. Number 4. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are known for their rich antioxidant content, which may aid in heart health and stress reduction. Additionally, a study found that consuming pure pomegranate juice over a 14-day period may significantly increase testosterone levels in both men and women. Participants displayed a 24% increase in salivary testosterone levels at the end of the study. Number 5. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon and sardines are high in nutrients vital for proper hormonal health, including vitamin D, zinc, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients that are important for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Research suggests that men with low vitamin D levels tend to have lower testosterone than men with higher vitamin D levels. This is because vitamin D is essential for male reproductive health, so consuming such food can offer various benefits such as improving testosterone levels. Number 6. Cocoa products. Cocoa products such as cocoa powder and cacao nibs are high in magnesium and flavonoid antioxidants, which play a vital role in testosterone production. Studies suggest that certain flavonoids present in cocoa, such as quercetin and apigenin, have been found to stimulate the activity of the testicles Leydig cells, which produce up to 95% of the total testosterone in the male body. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of zinc, a vital mineral that has been linked to testosterone levels. One study found that 6 months of zinc supplementation in men led to an increase of serum testosterone levels. Additionally, another study showed that a nightly zinc supplement for 8 weeks among college football players resulted in a significant increase in testosterone levels and improved leg strength. Thanks for watching. Please tap the like button to support me, and also don't forget to subscribe me for more medical and health contents.